When you decide to change your eating habits and start working towards a healthier you, something magical happens. Your energy shifts. You discover a new drive and you start creating balanced meals at home, and soon you'll become the master in your kitchen.
It wasn't long ago that I was at the same stage in my life. It actually took a health scare from my husband to make me realise that the causes and the solutions to our ailments were right here in front of us in the food that we eat. You are what you eat is a phrase that has probably never been more true than it is now. We're presented with more and more refined foods in the supermarkets than ever. But on the flip side, we also have more variety of fantastic fresh foods to create with, to experience health through food and what that means to us. Until fairly recently, vegetarians and all of those on a plant-based diet were a small minority. That was until people started to understand from the mounting evidence that eating a plant-based diet is not only good for our health, but can actually reverse conditions and prevent illness. It creates increased blood flow, less inflammation, better organ health, more energy, and so much more. I've created this group to help you on your way to being the best version of yourself. I'll be here every step of the way, giving you the ability to start leading a healthy, balanced life with some amazing recipes that have had the hard work done for you. These recipes are so good that you'll make them your new family staples and enjoy them time and time again. I'm not all for meat substitutes of any kind really, and try and stay away from processed foods, maintaining a whole food diet that is free from grains, refined sugars and simple carbohydrates. We will be replacing meat with fresh ingredients cooked with love by you and your home. We look deeper into what our bodies need and venture into the world of that all-important balanced diet that will come with endless health benefits.
I'm really looking forward to taking this journey with you and making a low-carb vegetarian lifestyle part of who you are and who you want to be. I can't wait to get started. I'm Karina from Low Carb Veggie Life. Now, let's get cooking.